How to integrate. To integrate your crawler or bot with Bright Data Proxy infrastructure, start by clicking the API and Integrations tab on the left side of your screen. Choose Proxy and Unlocker API from the menu. First, choose the coding language suited to your needs. You can also choose Other Software, meaning bot, crawler, or software integration. In the lower part of the screen are the credentials of the specific zone you are using. The first two credentials, proxy and port, are constant. The username and password will change according to the chosen zone. You can see that when we change the zone, the username and password change accordingly. To integrate a browser, simply click on the API and Integrations tab and select Browser Integration from the menu. Choose the browser you are using from the drop-down menu and follow the instructions.